Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to divert incoming calls to another number. It's quick and simple, so first what you want to do is press the middle button and press it again to get into the menu. Now we're in the menu, let's come all the way down until we get to the settings, and let's go into that. Now in the Nokia 105 settings, let's come down to the call settings, and the top option in the call settings is call divert. So let's go into that. Now you have loads of different options to choose from. So divert all voice calls, divert when busy, divert if not answered, divert if out of reach, and cancel all diverts. So let's select divert if not answered. Then what you want to do once you're in here, you can select the delay time. You can also check the status and you can cancel it. But let's activate it by pressing the middle button. And now you can go to the voice mailbox or to another number. As we want to divert this to another number, let's select that. Now here you'll input the number. Then you press the options in the middle here. You can press from the phone book if you wish, but if that number's you're happy with that, you can press done. And you can wait time. So let's say 20 seconds. If it don't pick up after 20 seconds, it'll divert to this new number. So you press that. It'll request it. That is how to divert calls to a new number on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.